Alright, here we have Lucky Machine games currently live on Polygon or Matic. So the first one we're going to take a look at here is Rock, Paper, Scissors. And this is the classic Rock, Paper, Scissors game y'all know, but with a betting twist. So we'll see the lights green up here. That means it is ready to go. I'll just come on down here and we'll bet about, we'll do one Matic, and we're going to bet on Rock. So in order to win, we would need the system to generate scissors for us, because rock beats scissors. Alright, so it's going through, and we'll just fast forward a little bit here. It's been confirmed, numbers are being generated, and alright, so it came out paper. We did not win. And it shows us a little summary there. We picked rock. Rock does not beat paper. Oh well. But that's how that one works. The other game we have on here is Pick 3 with a rolling jackpot. So what that is basically you just pick 3 numbers, the system generates 3, and if you match any, you win. So this one has a set entry fee of 3 Matic. It doesn't let you choose the bet, and it has a rolling jackpot. Right now it's set at 1125. So we'll just pick a few numbers here and click play. Alright, so go through the usual, confirm our 3 Matic entry fee there, and it's going to create a game for us. And if we scroll down here, we'll be able to see it hasn't generated the numbers quite yet, but it's given us our game, and we just need to match one of those numbers to win. If we match 2, we win more. If we match all 3, we win the jackpot. Alright, so it looks like we matched the 3 here. So because there was a 3 picked, we won 2.25 Matic. One match gets you 2.25, and that's automatically been sent to the wallet now. So that's how the Pick 3 game works. Now, all of these games are built on top of the Lucky Machines contracts, so if you wanted to spin one up on your own, you would go over to the factory here. So in the factory, we can create 2 types of Lucky Machines. The classic Lucky Machine here is one that just generates one number. You bet on what number will be picked, and if you pick correctly, you receive a payout. So we can set the minimum bet, the maximum bet, the maximum pick, and what the payout will be. So we'll set it a payout of 5 to 1 here. And once we create one of these standard Lucky Machines, we'll get sent over to the operator interface here. And we can view the details of our machine. We've got the minimum bet we set, the maximum, what the payout is, the max pick here. And you can always get back to this using the machine address. However, if you lose that, you can always just go to the operator interface and scroll down. It'll have a list of all the machines you've created just based on your wallet. Now this one's got a red dot here, which means it's inactive. So we have to fund this machine. So we'll copy the address here, and you'll see we have to send at least 5 Matic and 0.0001 link. The Matic will be to fund any winning payouts, and the link is used to fund the VRF coordinator to get our random numbers. So you need at least 0.0001 link for every request. So we'll send 0.001, which will be enough for about 10 requests here. So we'll click on the reload button here, and we see our balance has been updated. We've got our 5 Matic and our 0.001 link. So now if we go back to the operator interface, we see it's got a green light, which means this machine is active. And if we'd like, we can click on it and we can actually play it right here. Now all active machines will also be listed if you just click on play to anyone who goes here. We'll see there's our machine that we just created as well as another one there. And if they click on that, it'll bring them right to this interface here. We'll just place a quick bet. We'll do 0.01 on number 4. Alright, and then once it's been confirmed, our game has been created down here. Now the numbers haven't been generated yet, but our picks have been stored, our bet has been placed, and we'll just wait a second here for the numbers to come through. And there we go. The winning number was 7, so we are not a winner. Alright, so let's head back to the factory and look at the other type of machine that the pick 3 is based on, which is the lucky machine with a jackpot. So this one is a little different in that there's no minimum or maximum bet. We've got just a straight entry fee. In this case, just as an example, let's see, we'll set it to 1. The maximum pick, this will be the highest number you can choose. We'll do 10. And here we'll set how many matches will get you a win other than a jackpot. So we got 1 and 2, and for 1 win we'll set it to 0.5 Matic. If you get 2 matches, that'll pay out 2 Matic. We'll do 3 picks, same with the pick 3 there. And the jackpot contribution is how much of every entry fee goes to raise that jackpot. So you can never withdraw that. The only way to get a jackpot is for someone to win it. Alright, so now this will take us over to a jackpot operator interface. Similar to the other one we saw, we've got the machine address. Here we've got our requirements. This one's going to require 2 Matic and the 0.0001 link. And we've got down here some of the jackpot information. So as that builds up, we can see what that's at. And just like before, we can go over to the listing of all of the machines we've created, and you'll see since we haven't funded this one yet, it's got the red mark there. So let's click on the machine that we just did, go back to the operator interface. Alright, and then we will send that Matic and link on over. We'll skip this, just fast forward ahead. Alright, everything's here. We reload. Perfect. So now we've got our jackpot fully funded, at least for a few requests. And we'll see here it's got the active green light there. So now it is ready to use. Now this one can't be played immediately in this interface like the other ones. You see, if we go into the active machine listing here, it will not show those contracts. Even though they exist in the operator interface, you see it's in here. Only the classic Lucky Machines will show up there. So if you want to use one of those contracts, you'll have to do a custom integration, and you can head on over to the GitHub page here for some info there. You'll see it's a pretty straightforward npm install Lucky Machines contracts, and you'll be up and running with Lucky Machines in your very own project. Thank you for checking this out. Let's go win some money.